Friends, welcome to Max My Education. Today our topic Vedic maths or easy maths. So in ancient maths we have some easy multiplication shortcuts method. So on that I am going to tell right now 11 multiplications. 11 multiplication. How we have to multiply with 11. So for example 43 into 11 I am multiple. So here 2 digits you can multiple easily, but shortcut method we have. So first to 3 as it is. Next to 3 plus 4 7. Next to 4 plus 0 4 only. Just add before number and write that. So again I am taking 1 3 4 5 4 3 2. 5 digit number I am taking. Multiple with 11. So better to for easy. Sometimes some members are writing, some don't write. No need to problem. First 2 as it is you have to write. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 5. 3 plus 4 7. 4 plus 5 9. 5 plus 3 8. 3 plus 0 3. 3,89,752. It is very easy method. Okay? Within fraction of seconds, you will complete. Next, you have to take another one number. So, 5, 4, 6, 7, 3, 2 into 11. So, same as it is. Addition only. First write number, then after add previous number only. Okay? Right. 2 as it is. 2 plus 3 5, 7 plus 3 10 and above 1. Keep it in mind. 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 1 14 above 1. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 11. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 1 10 above 1. So this is a mandatory. Next to 5 plus 1 6. 5 lakhs 46,732 multiple with 11 you are getting 60 lakhs 14,052. This is the easy way to multiply with 11. Okay? Right. Next again one multiplication how we have to solve. Listen here. For example 25 into 25, otherwise 25 square. How we have to multiple? So in this situation, 2 after next number 3. So 2 into 3, 625. 6, 2 after the next number 3. So 2 3 ja 6 you have to write 25. Okay. Next for example, you have to take 45. 45 into 45. It is possible only in ones place 5 only. Ones place 5 only. We are applying this formula. Okay. That is equal to 4 after next number 5. That is equal to 4 5s are 20 25. 20 25. Next for example how to take 75. 75 into 75. 7 after next number 8. 7 after next number 8. So 56 25. So 7 8 56 25. Not all. So in ones place you have to take any number. So before whatever you have to multiple that. For example 115 into 115. So in this situation simple. How to 12 into 11. 12 into 11. Already 11 shortcut I am applying 2 3 1 132. So simply have to write 132 25. Okay. So whenever we have to find the squares in ones place in 5, you have to find easily this method. Okay. 2 shortcuts method is over. Next another one. Okay. Listen. Okay, for example 999 into 124. So this shortcut method applicable in where in 3 digits in 9, here also 3 digits. Then only have to apply. So first you have to write to 124 less one number that is equal to 123. 24 minus 1, 23. Take after 3. So first 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. So first I am explaining once again. So as it is I am writing 1, 2, 3. Then after these 3 digits minus with 9. 9 minus 1, 8. Next again 9 minus 2, 7. Again 9 minus 3. Doing minus. 9 minus 3 that is equal to 6. So 1,24,873. Okay. This is 999. Okay. Again one example I am going. First listen. So same 9 into 543. 543 into 999. In this situation same. How to write one number less that is equal to 542. Okay. Next 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 how to write 4. Next 9 minus 4 how to write 5. 9 minus 2 how to write 7. Okay. That is the answer only. So 5,42,457. It is very easy method for whenever you have to have 3 nines. Okay. Next again one. If you have 4 nines, 9,999 into 1,224. So whatever number it may be. So write one number less that is equal to 33. Okay. Next after take 4 decimals. So 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. Right. 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 3, again 6. Okay. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 8, 7, 6, 6. So 1 crore 23 lakhs 38,766. This is the easy way to find multiple with 9,999 or 999. So here digit should be here 4 digits, here also 4 digits. If here 4 digits, here 3 digits, how we have to solve? So that's it in next video. Okay, I will tell in next video. Present, I am going to tell another one sum. So 99 into 25. Clear. Here also 2 digits, here also 2 digits. Here also 2 digits, here also 2 digits. Same applications. 24 we have to write. Okay. Next. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. 2,475. This is for multiplication. Okay. Next. Again one. Same. I am taking 99 into 63. So I am writing less one number that is equal to 62. 9 minus 6 that is equal to 3. 9 minus 2 that is equal to 7. 6,237. Okay? Right. Copy it. Again one shortcut. For example, 93 into 97. How we have to multiply? Is there any shortcut here? Simple. So 93 into 97. So 93 is this is nearer to 100. Nearer to 100. So base is 100. We are taking base is 100. So it is less 7 less. 7 less. And 97 here. 97 also how much? 3 is less. Simple. What you have to doing subtractions. 93 minus 3 or 97 minus 7, both are equal. 93 minus 3, that is equal to 90. Okay, after 7 3s are 21, right here, simple. Once I am explaining, so 93 and 97, this is nearer to 100. So now I am taking my base is 100. So on that I have two zeros. So 93 minus 3. 93 is 7 less 8, 100. 97 is 3 less 100. So 93 minus 3, that is equal to 90. Or 97 minus 7 also 90. So as is how possible. 7 3s are 21. Simple. Okay. For example, if you have to take another one number, 92 into 95. 92 into 95. So take 92. The base is 100, that is equal to 100 is our base. So that is a 8 less. It is very less. Again 95. 95 is 5 less. So 92 minus 5 or 98 minus 8 as you wish. 92 minus 5, 87. Next, 8 5s are 45. So 8 5s are 40. Okay, this is very easy method. So if I take another one number, so 99 into 98 into 98. How we have to multiple? So your base is 100 only. So next base 1000 also we are taking. So first 99. 99 base is 1 less for 100. 1 less for 100. 98 1 less per 2 less per 100. So 99 minus 2, that is equal to 97. Next 1 2 ja 2. But here 2 decimals, we have to take 2 zeros. We should be take 2 zeros. But here only 1 decimal. That's why keep 1 0. That is equal to 9702. 9702. Okay. This is base for nearer to 90. Nearer to 90. Okay. Next. Again one I am taking. So if I take above 100, that is equal to 103 into 104. Simple. 103, 104. Clearly. So nearer to 103 above, also 4 above. So now in previous there is a less to 100. That's why we are doing subtraction. This is above to 100. Above to 100. That's why I have to plus. 103 plus 4. 103 plus 4. That is equal to 107. Next to 3 4s are 12. Simple. Very easy. For example, another one. 112 into 105. So nearer to 100. So whenever you are solving a problem, at that time this situation will come, have to solve very easily compared to your friends. Then we are getting good claps. 112, 105. Base is 12 above or 5 above. Okay. So that is equal to 117. 12 plus 5, 117. 12 5s are 60. That is equal to 11,760. If this is for above 100. Okay? Right. Copy it. Next, for example, so 93 and 104. So in previous 2 is less than 2. Whenever you have to take 2 number, the 2 numbers is less than 100 or 2 number is greater than 100. But here some numbers, one number is above 100, one number is below 100. In these situations, how we have to solve? So 93 is 7 less. 93 is the 7 less 100 or 4 more 100. The base is 100 only. I am taking base is 100. Okay. So whenever you have to come down, you have to add, or you have to go up, you have to do subtraction. Okay. So 93 plus 4 or 104 minus 7, both are same only. 93 plus 4, that is equal to 97 after 20. Little bit of change, 9700. Next, plus into minus, minus. 4 7 ja 28. Do subtraction. That is equal to 2, and you are getting 9 7. Here 6, right? That is equal to 9672. So I am explaining once again. 93 into 107. What we have to do? 93 into 104. So that is 93 is 7 less to 100. 7 less to 100. 104 is 4 more than 100. 4 more than 100. So that is equal to. So whenever you come down, you have to come this way. In way, you have to do adding. If I would go this way, I have to do subtraction, because here is minus. So 93 plus 4, that is equal to 9700. Next, 7 4 are 28. Doing minus, because plus into minus, minus. 7 4 are 28. Doing subtraction, we are getting this method. Okay. So next, if I take a big number, that is if I am going to take 1000, nearer to 1000 base. At that time also same 100 method only. Don't be confused. Okay. For example, 993 into 995. So I am taking, for example, there this is base is 1000. Here base is 1000. That is equal to right here. 993. 993. Less 1000 less. 7 is less than 2000. 995. 995. 5 less than 1000. Okay. 993 minus 5, because less than 5. Less than 1000. That's why doing minus. 988. 993 minus 5, 988. Next, after you have to take 3 zeros, because 1000 have 3 zeros, 1000 have 3 zeros. Okay. So if you multiple, you are getting 3 digits, no problem. If you are getting 2 digits, have to keep 1 zero extra. In between, not in that. 7 5 are 35 after 0. Okay. This is the easy way. Same 100, 1000 also, same application. These are the some shortcuts in easy maths. In next video, I will post another some videos. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Okay. Thank you.